Welcome to the UBConstable Part 1, previous year question paper, and thank you for your patience. In this section, you'll find the first set of real exam question, complete with option and step-by-step solution. So let's look at our first question. 0.003 times 0.004 equal to option A, option B, option C, or option D. If you ever come across these type of question, such as decimal value, we need to multiply the numbers and ignoring the decimal point first. So I'm just going to multiply the whole number, which is 3 and 4. So that will be 12. And I need to count the total number of decimal place. If I count the first number, I'll get 3 decimal place. If I count the second number, I'll get 4 decimal place. So the total would be 7 decimal place. So I can place my answer as 0.000012. So if I look at the option, I see that option D is the correct answer, which is 0.000012. If the sum of two numbers is 16 and their product is 63, we need to find what is the larger number. Among the two numbers, when I add, give me 16, and when I multiply, give me the product of 63. We have 4 options. Option A 9, B 10, 11, or 12. From the question given, we have sum equal to 16, and the two unknown numbers, I'll say x plus y, give me 16, and the product equals 63, such that x times y equals 63. Now if you scan the option, we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can do the multiplication to get to the product of 63. If you look closely at the other option, which is 10, 11, 12, there isn't any other number that I can multiply would give me 63 other than 9. If I do 9 times 7, you can see that it's actually giving me 63. So if I do 9 times 7, it would give me 63. And if I do 9 plus 7, it would give me 16. If you look at our option, we just eliminate some of the wrong choices, and that gives us a quick answer. So if we try to solve this same question using a quadratic equation, it would give me the same answer, but I think it would take a lot of time. So I'm using this technique called plug in the option. It's very effective in MCQ exam, especially when the numbers of option is small. So yes, the greater number among the two is 9. A canteen required 798 bananas for like a week. You need to find a total. How many bananas will it require for the month of January, February, and March 2022? We have option A, option B, option C, or option D. We are given 798 bananas, and we need to find the total bananas for January, February, and March 2022. So we need to calculate the number of days in each month. We know that in January we have 31 days. In February 2022, we have 28 days, and 2022 is not a leap year, meaning there's no extra day. In March, we have 31 days, so the total days will be 31 plus 28 plus 31. That will give me 90 days. Now I need to convert days to week. In order to convert days to week, I can just divide it by the number of weeks. For example, 90 days divided by 7 days per week, that will give me 12.857 week. Now I need to round it up to the closest value. For 12 it is 13, so it will be 13 weeks. Now I need to multiply by weekly requirement. So 13 weeks times 798 bananas, that will give me 10,374 bananas. So if we look at option, we see that option D is the correct answer, which is 10,374 bananas. There is a fast way to get to the answer if we count week by the number of Mondays, or whichever fixed weekday we choose in the span of 3 months in 2022. So if you look at January, we have Monday on 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. So that'll be 5 weeks. In February, we have Monday on 7, 14, 21, 28. So that's 4 weeks. And on March, we have Mondays on 7, 14, 21, 28. That's also 4 weeks. So if I add all the week, 5 plus 4 plus 4, that will give me 13 weeks. So I need to multiply 13 weeks times 798. That will give me 10,374 bananas. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.